God is the placer. He's the perfect placer. And we were all chosen prior to ever being born on this earth, prior to other creation, before human beings came into being. There was Christ, came out of God, and then we were the very next in line to be placed as far as members of the body of Christ is concerned. Chosen previously, chosen before the disruption of the cosmos. And God perfectly placed each one. And when you look at the whole body as one complete unit, it is truly a spiritual organism. Nothing to do when it comes to the physical part of things. Paul does explain it, relatively speaking, uses a human body. Explains it wonderfully because each one has a function. The whole body can't be an eye or an ear or an arm or a leg or a finger, whatever. There has to be unique parts in the body, unique as far as placement is concerned. And we each play a beautiful part to the whole. Christ being our head. And when you look at the scriptural viewpoint on it, you can see that each member has a beautiful function. And at the dais, it's going to be clear what each one's function is. And it's going to play out beautifully in the oncoming eons. No one is going to be left out, is what I'm trying to say here. You know, and no one's going to be disappointed. Not one single member is going to be disappointed at their place. And each one will receive a wage. Each one will receive what they receive purposely and perfectly to fit the body in their function. Now, it's already happening. Now, we each play a part. And each one's part has a part to play. It just works so wonderful.